Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the High Performance Trader Live Asian session. And today, what you are going to witness is how we execute in the market using our extremely simple and verified, data-backed, tested three-step approach. And if you like what you see today, all I ask is that you check that link out below. I offer a free mini course on this strategy to anybody willing to learn. This strategy really helped change my life. It's a product of tons of losing trades in just my last, 7 years on the market. So check it out. It's a phenomenal resource that's going to help you level up in the markets. So give me a second here while we pull up Thinkorswim and Top Step, and we'll dive right into it. Here we go. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's hope that we can, let me check this out here. Boom, go trading. Settings. All right, here we go. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. All right. So the first thing I like to do each and every single day is identify which levels are important. Very interesting. Notice here, end of day was exactly the same. Interesting. So yeah, the first thing I want to do is identify my key levels. Number one is going to be end of day. I like to do this on the 1 hour time frame. It just, kind of simplifies it for me. Helps me get a better understanding as well to, what that overall 1 hour time frame story is telling me. So we got previous day high, we got end of day, we got previous day open print, which is like right around there. And then we also have previous day low. Now, once again, this is on NQ. It's on NQ. All right. So now that I got my key levels, I then want to kind of identify, all right, if we sell off, where are we going to go? Looks like we're going to head down there. And then if we rally, we're probably going to head up there. Any critical levels of market structure? Not too much. All right, so that's good. NQ check. Now let's dive over into ES. Sometimes Top Step does this, and like you see all these like crazy lines. No. All right, Control Z. Shout out Bill Gates for creating Control Z, the undo button. All right, what is this? This is a key level right here. All right, so once again, I'm going to do the exact same thing as before. I'm going to identify A, previous day high, B, previous day open print. These are the pit numbers, the pit levels, which is basically just previous day high, low, open, and close. Key levels, tons of volume at these levels. You got to watch them. If you're not watching them, you're going to lose to the individual that is. I promise you that. All right, so previous day open print, check. Then we're going to identify EOD, which is like right around there. And, once again, we can always button them up a little bit later. But the 1 hour time frame is meant to identify the story. All right. Because the story is what you're going to use to pull the trigger and to trust your positions, etc., etc., etc. All right. So now what I want to do is grab a bearish and bullish target. I'll just take this guy right here. This is a key level. We'll just use that as our bearish target. And then our bullish target is going to be right here. So I'm just going to click that. Go bam. Bullish, baby. Bullish. She on me bullish. I also like to, joke around a little bit. So if you're easily offended, this place is not for you. Trading is an extremely high stressful environment. I use words like retard, just little stuff that makes me laugh. I don't mean it in any way derogatory. It's literally just a laugh. So if you get triggered, this place is not for you. All right. I'm also identifying on silver levels because we make a lot of money trading silver. So we got previous day high, low, open, and close. Let me throw EOD in there somewhere. Once again, the 4 main price points from the previous day are the most important levels to me. They literally help me understand that story and just pull the trigger and, and we'll get into that a little bit more. All right, so let's whip open the extended hours and see what we're playing with here on silver. Interesting. So sellers are showing strength. How do we know this? GBI, baby. GBI. 20 EMA on the 2 minutes being respected. I'll potentially take a short right there. Where's my thinkorswim at? All right. So silver. Let's do a double screen. All right. Let's go back to NQ real quick. Just to take a gander here on the 5 minute. What do we got? All right. So very similar to silver. We have a GBI. And the AOV has been retested. So sellers are definitely showing some strength here on silver. I want to whip out that lower time frame and then be able to maybe identify a nice little push there. But before I do anything, I want to whip open thinkorswim so I could check out that 1 hour time frame, right? Because, I mean, for everybody on my team, you guys know, moving averages are very important for me. They just help me understand, you know, the healthy trends versus the unhealthy trends. And by the way, I have 3 slots open for anybody looking to enroll in Trader Bootcamp. I only have 3 slots because the next 3 people that joined, I'm going to be working one-on-one with. Okay. So if that's something that you might be interested in, check out that link below. But basically what that looks like is you join the team on a yearly access, which is a one-time payment. And then me and you have 4 sessions together where I teach you everything I know about the market, how I execute, in the ins and outs of the strategy to help you just become a little bit more confident before pulling the trigger. All right, so let's see here. Sellers showing a lot of strength. I want to take a look at silver. Let's see what that 1 minute looks like here on silver, dude. Check this out, guys. Check this out. All right, so 1 minute 20 here on silver's getting not that much love. So the 2 minute 20 though is definitely showing a little bit of let's see. Okay, so once again, let's just get our pit numbers here. Coming into previous open print here on NASDAQ. Previous open print, that's once again, open print is the, right? Open print. This is the 9:30 a.m. Eastern bell. All right. So ding, ding, ding. Market goes off. That's open print. All right. Very important level. There we go. We just sold right through it. Bam. All right. I like it though. Let's check out the 1 hour. Look at the range, dude. NQ's been in a crazy range lately. All right. Let's throw end of day right here. So we're playing around with EOD and previous open print here on NASDAQ. Here, this is going to be my bearish target. Bearish target. I am. Let me give a shout out to everyone in the Discord so they know we are live, baby. Coffee at 6:40 p.m. I love it. Anyone else addicted to coffee? Let me hear it. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat, love. Oil. What's oil doing? Dude, last time I traded live, we made like $1,800 trading oil. So don't be sleeping on oil now, especially with all that stuff going on in Iran. All right, super strong push here on oil. I want to whip up in that 5 minute. See what we get here. See if like we could spot anything. Now, price action was atrocious this today. So, you know, obviously I'm looking to play the strategy. But when the market is, you know, so let me back up. You are only as good as the market you're trading in. If the market's trash, you will trade like garbage. That's why the first month of our academy, we focus strictly on identifying good opportunity and good markets. It's very important. What up, Brandon? You know, it's super important. Otherwise, you're gonna get caught in the chop. So look at massive sell-off here. Trading's all about patience. It's all about just staying patient. You know, waiting for your opportunity, not overthinking it, just pulling the trigger. Ain't nothing about trading perfect. You know, a lot of times, you know, we're searching for perfection, and we think that's even possible, but in reality it's not. All we can do is pull the damn trigger. All we can do is pull the trigger when the opportunity shows up. All right. All right, where's my first? Who's going to be my first victim here on the market? Let me see. Who's it going to be? ES, NQ, silver, oil? Who's the victim today? Who's going to get got? Who's getting got? Silver. Nice push out of this ALV. Still no entry criteria. Damn, son. All right, just put that there. Put this here. So I like that downside target here on silver, PDL. All right, so now that I got my pit numbers, we understand the story, right? So typically how this usually goes, gold. Someone's telling me to look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold could be a good victim too. Let's whip open that 5 minute and see what we got here on gold. Oh, okay. I like it. I like seeing the chat be able to identify the criteria. Got the criteria present. All right. Not on the 2 minute, maybe the 1 minute. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. She going. She going, baby. She going, baby. Ah, what a good day, man. Today was a good day. Even though the market kind of sucked. It's just a good day, man. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful. Even days where I ain't happy, I'm fucking thankful. Life is too short. One thing I try to do every day, guys, and keep it real, is tell myself 3 things that I love about trading. I highly recommend everybody do this because what it does is it kind of helps you rebuild your perspective of the market, right? Like it's very easy to be like, oh, this market's it's hard, it's this, it's that. And there's nothing good that's going to come out of that, right? You got to build that good relationship with the market. Got to build it with yourself. Look at that 2 minute 20 retest, Todd on NQ. What up, T? Look at that 2 minute 20 on NQ, man. I just was signing in, so I missed that. That is our strategy right there to a T. Yeah, buddy. I know my boy caught that. Listen, if I don't catch it, best believe my boy is. That's the bread and butter right there. Silver's selling off like a bat out of hell. I should have just hopped in. She is gone. That's okay. I'm watching NQ. That 1 hour. Let's check out the 1 hour story. The 1 hour story. We got that breakout earlier, and massive move up. Look at silver dumping. Yeah, so check this out, guys, on the daily. Look at NQ's price action on the daily. That's straight trash. Back forth, straight range bound. Silver, I got to watch the 1 minute because I think that's really all. The 1 hour trend on silver is so bearish. Look at this. It's a healthy bearish too. That 1 hour trend is exceptionally healthy right now. Yeah, give me the pullback. Give me the pullback, baby. Come on, Shug. All right, so that 5 minute EMA has been being respected on NQ. It happened at EOD. It happened at previous open print. We're getting a little far away from that 5-minute 20. So y'all know how I feel about that. It's not really my favorite. Dude, look at the 1 hour on ES, bro. We're coming into the 1 hour 20. Has she got love? Look to the left. Yes, she has. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Shit. All right, let's go. We gonna get this money. Listen to our DI. They can't stop these letters. Singing cadences, man. I was in shot camp for, what was it? I went twice. So up in New York, there's this program where if you get caught in, I think you guys know, I had a previous, I used to be addicted to drugs. So I got in a little bit of trouble. And so they have this program where they'll send you to a shot camp. It's like a prison camp, instead of doing a bid or going to, upstate. So, I took advantage of that. It's a 6-month program. I ended up doing, on my first time, I think, 9 months. So 6 months, and then I got recycled for another 3. This thing is sinking. And the place was extremely haunted, right? Like, I could tell you guys stories for days, but to make a long story short, every single morning they would PT, right? Physical train. We had to go out on run, run miles. And we had these songs, these cadences, and it's hilarious because I still remember them. And I think that's another thing I'm pretty grateful for is my past. Like I've been in some bad situations and just, not really doing well. And being on this side of the coin, like you can't have a bad day, bro. Like when you've lived, and I'm not like, oh, look at me, I've lived this, like, no, none of that. My life was terrible. But I changed it, and trading really helped me do it, honestly. I got so obsessed with this damn game, and it pushed me not to give up on myself, and and obviously, my daughter and everything. But it's just funny to look back, because you could be like, wow, like, it's crazy. It seems like a lifetime ago, but I'll break that down more another day. All right, NQES. Let's see here. Shot camp, though, extremely haunted. Paranormal Activity actually did a video there. Like, you guys remember when that used to be on television, Paranormal Activity? They literally went to Willard. I'll show you guys it. Watch this, right? So hold on. I got to show you Willard shock program. All right, so this is where I went. Look at this. This is where I went, dude. Look. So it's like this extremely high and tight military bearing program. And the craziest part about it is it actually was built in the 30s for women who are going through menopause. They would send them here and perform lobotomies on them. Yep, that's my bathroom. Right. So like that's where J Sal used to live. Okay. This is down in the mess hall. Where they used to, do the lobotomies, but we just had to go through there. We used to store a lot of food there. Yeah, this was a nightmare, man. It was bad. This was bad. Extremely. It was an insane asylum. Literally, an insane asylum. That's where I used to live. Spent about 9 months of my life right there. But yeah, they used to perform lobotomies on women going through menopause back in the 30s. Yeah, like I said, extremely haunted. Like I used to, and that's another thing, right? Where people were like, people were like, oh, do you believe in God and stuff? I'm like, yeah, 100%. Because I tell you right now, there is definitely evil spirits. Like that is a very real thing. And if there's good, there's got to be bad, right? The polarity of it. But yeah, Willard was crazy, man. Spent a lot of time there. Don't miss it whatsoever. Was able to really kind of get a whole new perspective on life after going to that camp. They actually wrote a book about it called Suitcases in the Attic. You guys should check that out. It's all about, like, when women used to go there, their husbands would literally send them there, like once they went through menopause back in the 30s, and they literally would just take all their belongings and just throw it up in the attic. And they would be completely forgotten about. Dude, back then, fuckers were savage. Absolute savages. All right, so I'm watching NQ. I want to see what happens here at the 2-minute 20. Let's see what happens here at the 2-minute 20. Let's see if we can get a little move, man. Let's see if we can get a little money. Let's see if we can execute this. All right, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Come on, bruv. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna be going in balls deep here. One con. Actually, you know what? We're not going balls deep here. We're gonna go MNQ. Right? Let's go. Minis. Only because I don't like how far away we are from the 20, and we're not even in the area of value. Okay. So this is kind of like I just want to get the beak wet. Now remember, if I'm going to enter in, this candle has to respect the 2-minute 20, right? I want to see something like this. All right. I want to see similar price action to right here. But enter in small here, guys. You don't need to go balls deep, right? Let's just see what we get. Wet the beak a little bit here. The 1 hour is not that nice for shorts, but let's see. See what we get. Once again, I gotta see it, respect it. She must respect it. Is ES doing the same thing? Trying to. What's silver doing? I feel like silver might be a better play. But let's see. I say that because the 1 hour, oh my God. Yep, it sure is. It sure is, baby. Come on. All right, so I'm watching silver right here inside of AOV. Bam, I'm in that. And it's not that volatile. It's only going to cost me $145. So I am in short on silver. And the reason why I like silver a little bit more is because the 1 hour trend is a lot healthier. It's a lot more healthier. Okay. So I got the 5-minute up. We're inside the area of value. And we just retested the 2-minute 20. Let's see here if we can get a nice push down. Let me pull my thinkorswim here. Bam. Start the day off. Getting a beak wet a little bit. NQ with a very nice push off the 2-minute 20. MNQ. Am I retarded? If I take a stab here, I don't see why not. I could throw 3 on it. It's not going to cost that. It's only going to cost $31. Yeah, the volatility must be a little low. All right, well, let's just see. Like I said earlier, we're not next to the 5-minute 20, so it's definitely not kind of sketchy play, but we don't got that much money on the line. I just kind of want to see what we get here. Okay, let's see. Probably should have waited for this candle to close, actually, now that I think about it. I'm watching silver on my other chart here down below. Let's see what we get here on NQ. It's a little far away. If it clips me, that's completely fine. Reevaluate, and yeah, we're actually NQ's right above previous open print. Why is it? Oh, it's because I'm on MNQ. I don't see my level. You guys see what I'm looking at here on NQ? This guy. We're above that. That's not good for sellers. It's not good for sellers. All right, so let me pull open. While that's doing its thing, I really don't want to even overthink that much. I'm watching silver. I got my stop where it needs to be on NQ. I don't like the trade. I like silver a little bit more. Let's see here if we can get some continuation here on silver. Silver short play. Yeah, NQ. I mean, we're not even in AOV. I think I just got clipped. Yep, just got clipped. All right, so let's see this silver trade through. Let me not try to get cocky over here and take multiple trades like, I'm freaking, let's just slow it down a little bit. Let's see what happens here on silver. So once again, the reason why we got in silver, pretty simple criteria. 2-minute 20 was respected inside the 5-minute AOV. So basically, when I enter into this, I want to see sellers hold this zone for a move to the downside. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have not traded silver in a little bit. I don't know how the volume is. I don't know typically if it's going to be, it's the volume really hasn't been there like it has for previous sessions. So let's see what we get. All right, NQ is coming right up into the AOV. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. NQ is wicking into the 5-minute 20. But the thing about NQ right now is be very careful if you're debating a short play. That 1 hour trend is really high up, is way up there. And buyers are coming in real strong. It's about to be 7 o'clock. I think this is when the Asian persuasion starts to kick off a little bit more. We need some volume. What platform is it? This is Top Step. Top Step. I like Top Step. It's pretty good. It's honestly the only one I've ever. Oh no, I traded. What was it? Earn to Trade. They actually hit me up for an affiliate program. They wanted me to promote them on YouTube and stuff. They gave me a free account and I tried to trade it. I really didn't like it that much. So, all right. So we're looking for sellers to defend this right here. Let's see if they can inside the AOV. 5-minute looks pretty solid. Green bar right here was ignored. Retesting the AOV. Now, typically, if the volume picks up, we can expect a nice little move to the downside. That's why we got to be really careful on these Asian sessions. Don't get me wrong. I'm all about trading. I love making money and I love trading, right? It's but if the volume's not there and the price action ain't there, it's just not worth it. Ooh, look at NQ. That's really not a bad short play here on NQ. I wouldn't take it, just because what I just said earlier. Buyers getting above previous open print is definitely a little bullish. All right, so stay a little patient. All right, he's going to clip me. You going to clip me? Coming up into that 20. He's going to clip me. Literally clip me and suck right back down. Nice. All right. I like starting behind the curve. Yeah, I don't know about silver right now. I'm just not really liking that look at that. That 1 hour trend is valid too. NQ with the retest of the 20. Let me see here. What we got? SPY. I think SPY might be a little better move. All right, so let me get my levels here correct on SPY. Come on, Suge. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. I think buyers might be able to take this. But really, I want to watch that 20. This is a trade that we took on the Discord today, right here. I always like to remind myself of what's working. Green bar ignored right here. That's a short play. Bam. Another thing I was watching was that 20 EMA. Look how that 20 right there, 20 EMA could not break. All right. So that's key. When the 20 can't break, it's for a reason. Why am I saying that? Because look at this 20 right here. Oh, and that's at EOD? Oh, man. Okay. We might have some potential here on NQ. We might have a little bit potential here. Coming into open print, though. Let's just stay a little patient. I'm just staying a little patient. Staying a little patient. Look at that move. Bam. It's almost worth just throwing a tester on. Look at that push. Look at that push. I'm looking for weakness right here. And look at silver respecting this AOV, bro. That's so dirty. You damn, bro. That's so dirty. That's so dirty. Look at that. I love it. I should have done better. I should have done it better. I should have. My stop should have been a little bit more. I don't know. On to the next. Don't overthink it. Damn, bro. Look at that on NASDAQ. All right, ready? All right, let's play this correct. Okay, we just got a very strong push by sellers off the 20. Okay. Let me think here. We got a key level on ES, which is PDO. NASDAQ just took a mega dump right there. Where can I play off? Where can I play off? That's a GBI. Give me a little pullback up. Give me a pullback up into 2,500, Todd. 2,500. Give me the pullback up into 2,500, which is right here. Give me the pullback up. 5-minute trend is not terrible. Where are you at? Right here. Here's the 5-minute trend. All right, right into 2,500. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Stay patient. See them sellers? They're trying. They are trying. Coming up here into 2,500. We're right at that key level, though. She's sketchy. I like seeing that hold, but buyers are holding that level, bruv. Buyers are holding that level. Here's the AOV. We couldn't even close outside of it. That's dicey, guys. That's dicey. That's a little dicey. ES honestly might be the better move. Yeah, I'm holding off. I'm holding off just for a little bit. Let me see what oil's doing. I got to make some money, Todd. Let's check out oil. Let's check out oil. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh my God, look at oil right now, dude. Look at oil. Respecting that. Why does my 20 look all retarded here? Crude oil, CL. What? Why does that look like that? 20. Is this the 5-minute? Oh, here we go. Regular. Why does that look like here on Top Step? My chart of oil looks completely different on Thinkorswim. Interesting. Oil's looking mega bearish right now. I'm holding off on NASDAQ because it's playing around with previous open print, and the 1 hour trend just isn't healthy enough for me to chase shorts. I think buyers can hold that at previous open print. I want to take a stab here on oil. I'm holding off on that too. Patience, young grasshopper. Let me show you what I'm looking at. All right, so check out NASDAQ. A couple different trend lines here. I'm going to watch that guy. Look at oil. Clean GBI here on oil too. So I'm feeling bearish right there. I want to see what sellers do here at the 20 because we're coming back up into the 5-minute 20. We're coming back up into the AOV. As a matter of fact, where's NASDAQ? I want to try something short here on NASDAQ. I want to try a little something here. All right, let's see here if we could break previous open print. Go for a short play. I like seeing sellers respect that. I also like seeing sellers respect the 5-minute 20. It's off a key level here at previous open print, but it's more or less respecting EOD. So we're in shorts here on NASDAQ. Let's see here if we can get a push down below previous open print. And we'll take this baby down to the ground. All right, let's see. We gonna get this money. Shout out to my shorty. Yeah. Green bar ignored. Retest. Respect the 20 EMA. That's all I need. When I see that, I'm pretty much already decisions been made. Now we just gotta hope that the volume holds and we could snap this trend line here. Come on, sugar. I like seeing that 5-minute 20. If previous open print can snap, this is gonna move. That's a GBI right there too. I gotta take that. I got to. This thing just kind of complicates things for me. I don't know. If you guys like that up there, does that help? Yeah, 5-minute 20 respect, Todd. Gotta take that on NASDAQ. This is just it's a key level. So it can go both ways. Josh, you're shorting into a key level. I know. I'm a friggin' degenerate. I'm a degenerate ass trader. But I'm just going to trust that 5-minute 20 a little bit. Let's see what we get. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Where's my other? There it is. What the heck? There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Josh, why you love moving averages so much? Because they help me understand the story, man. Yeah, Silver, bro, Silver playing with me, Johnny. Is playing with me. She got me good. Silver is dicey, bro. Like, yeah, trust me. I love it. It clipped me though. So I'm a little emotional with it. Once I get emotional, I'll be back. I'll be back for Silver. I'll be back. I ain't gonna let her do me like that. NASDAQ's at a key level. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, let's just pull that emotion right out, Johnny. Ready? Where should I take it out from? Hold on. No, you're right. You're 100% right, bro. But it's like I learned to spot patterns in myself sometimes, right? Sometimes when I'll be back. I'll be back to silver. The 20 looks a little flat on silver. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. I don't like this low volume, guys. I don't. Don't. I don't. I don't like the low volume. It's like that volume where out of nowhere it just like rips. Which I mean, usually, I mean, that's good. Come on, sugar. You got some AOVs, baby. We're respecting EOD. Yeah, Johnny, you're right on silver. Look at that. That's a green bar, ignored, 20 respect. Trend's pretty healthy. It's that 20's a little flat. Yeah, that's really not a bad play there on silver. I'm just already in NQ. I don't want to juggle. I don't want to juggle right now. And honestly, I would probably hold off anyways. Cause it's just a little I don't know. I think we need more story. It's not at a critical level. You know what I'm saying? And that plays a pretty important role because the volume, right? We want that volume there. But silver does look good right now for a short play. Have pretty good risk on that too. All right, I'm not going to risk a lot here on Nasdaq. $110. I don't really even like this play because I knew better. Bro, it didn't even. That's crazy. It just snapped up and took my money out of nowhere. All right. Let's see here what we got going on. Yeah, I'm holding off on NASDAQ. There goes the silver short. I'm not taking it, though. I'm chilling for a second, guys. I'm chilling. I don't like it. It's choppy. I'm going to kick it for a little bit. Give me 1 second. I'm going to hit the bathroom. Watch NASDAQ sell off right now, too. That's on me. Well, yeah, that just looks ugly. Oh, dude, this is oil. I'm watching oil. My bad. That's not even silver. That's oil. This is silver. Yeah, stay away from silver. Stay away. I would wait for it to come back up at least to the top of that AOV. Oil, on the other hand, is looking pretty tasty. Let's see. Yeah, oil is looking real good. Let's look at oil real quick. Let's make all that money back right now. Watch. What's the daily look like here on oil? Damn. This is a key level on oil, guys, and we couldn't really hold below it. You know what? I think I am. Come on, baby. Give me something good. Give me something good. 2-minute 20s, somewhat getting respected. Oh, we're about to get something good. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Look at NQ. See them buyers. I knew better than to fight them buyers, guys. Y'all heard me say it. That was, that's okay. You know what? You're gonna take a couple L's, bro. Like if you can't take an L, you're playing the wrong game. If you can't take an L and be able to roll it, you're just playing the wrong game. I eat L's for breakfast. Let me shut up, though. All right, let's see here. The volume's low. I'm going to hit the head. I'll be right back. And then we're going to get to it, baby. I said, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all right. Look at them buyers on NQ. About a thing. What is it, 718? Look at them buyers on NQ. Coming up into the AOV. Excuse me. All right. I'm going to switch to this account. I don't want to be trading 3 accounts right now. It's better to get in flow state before you start swinging 3 accounts. I'll come back to that later. Making too much progress with those to be, just freaking swinging. All right, let's see it, baby. Let's see it. I like that shift right there. And we are, that ain't EOD. That's EOD. No, it ain't. All right, check out ES. Check out ES. Dude, ES pretty much came right into PDL. Dang, bro. Look at NQ with the shift right there. Broke that AOV. Oh, man. She's about to soar. Maybe. Ooh, oil. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, oil? NQ is ripping and roaring right now. All right, now we got some volume. Good. Dude, look at that. Crazy push. All right, so this is a key level right here. It's a very important level. Super important level right here on NASDAQ. 25,010. Like something's telling me to to trade oil, but it's just low vol. Low volume means you lose money. Simple and plain. All right, ES. So NASDAQ's definitely giving a nice little bullish story. ES coming up into the AOV and could not break it, but that don't mean that the fight is over. I think I don't know, Todd. I'm thinking NQ is given a little bit more bullishness. I don't like strong moves up, though. You guys know that. Strong moves up means strong moves down. Strong move up typically means a strong move down. Yeah, right in the OP right there. Pull back. Silver still in the AOV. Oh my God, look at NQ, baby. Give me a 20 retest, and I swear I will plug up in that. Why is my volume up? Take that off my darn chart. All right, there we go. I don't know. This could go any way right now. Anyway, it's the 1 minute. 1 minute 20? 1 minute 20? 1 minute 20 has gotten not a lot of love, though. Not a lot of love on the 1 minute 20 here. So guess what I'm not going to do? Trade it. I'm not going to trade it. If it's not getting no love, I ain't going to wish on a prayer. Ooh, look at these sellers, bro. This is kind of a tough one. Let's see what the 1 hour tells us here. Okay. It makes a little more sense. 2,500. This is making a little. This bullish scenario does make sense on NQ. It does. We got that clean breakout. Let me see, baby. What we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? All right, cleared that up. Came down, retested it. That 5 minute looks tasty on NQ, bro. It really does. Looks tasty to the upside, potentially. ES does not look good to the upside. All right. Yeah. So Willard. So basically, some more Willard stories. When at Willard, you literally had 8 minutes to eat, right? So when you got your food, you had, like everything was super high and tight, right? Like I think there's is what Willard. Okay, yeah. So ready. Look, this is look at this. So look, the food, everything is extremely high and tight. And you sit, and then when they go eat, you sit and eat, right? You have to eat everything on your plate, otherwise they smash it in your face or they make you wear it, right? Sometimes I put it in your pocket, in your front pocket there, and you couldn't like put your hand, like your elbows couldn't be on the table. Everything had to be, and then when you were done, you had to like hold your spoon and walk up and stuff like that. It was a trip, man. I remember when I first got there, I was like, how hard could it be? And very quickly did I realize it was a nightmare. Once I showed up to my platoon, there was a dude out front standing on a sewer. It was like 110 degrees, and he was standing on the sewer with his boots over his head, and he was screaming, "I will not break military bearing, sir. I will not break military bearing, sir." Right? And he's holding his boots over his head, standing on the hot sewer. I was like, shit, I shouldn't have came here. Oh man, this is a tough play here on NQ. I it's not good enough for me to take. 1 minute 20. I mean, what am I gonna do? Chase it? Just to chase it? I'm not chasing that. Nope. I'm not chasing it. All right, oil with the reversal. Oil's trying to shift. Oh, come on, baby. That actually is starting to look more bearish, dude. She's starting to look pretty bearish on NQ. Same with SPY. Potentially. EOD. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I see that sellers got trapped here. Let's see what happens here. We might get a strong push up. The 1 hour is telling me that it has a chance to go up. Oh, bro, look at ES with this trend line right here. Ooh. It ain't the prettiest, but it's something. Let's see. Let's see. All right, yeah, I want to see what happens here at EOD. People in the comments, bro, you're freaking hilarious. Gotta love the haters, bro. The haters are the motivators, man. Haters are the motivators, man. It's funny. Trading on YouTube is just like you get so much shit from people. It's hilarious. And like I really don't even get it because like I do get it because most people just they feel they're what do they call them, the keyboard tough guys, right? Like people are like they live their life like going to the same job every day and doing this every day and just making the same decisions every single day, but then they'll hop on the internet and start talking mad shit. And I think it's hilarious because in reality, I understand the psychology behind it, right? They have no control of their life. So then when they're on the computer, they're like, oh, yeah, hate on this dude and his moving averages. All right, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, this volume is, it's really not there. Sellers holding it pretty good. Bearish stories holding up pretty well. Just nothing good, man. Just nothing good. And you know what though? Like, I think it's super important too to be like, we got to be able to see the value in our ability to avoid bad price action. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to be able to see the value in that because when what is it? I don't know what's worth more, right? Having a $1,000 day or avoiding a $5,000 losing day. You know what I'm saying? It's really, you can't really put a price on it. Being able to spot bad price action and stay away from it is key. Because you could lose as much money as you want to. If the market ain't good, you're just gonna keep getting chopped up. All right, oil with the strong reversal though. I don't know, Todd. We might have something nice on oil brewing here in a little bit. We might get something nice over here on oil. ES and NQ, them are traps right now. I don't see anything good. I mean, if you're into the whole, guess the low and guess the high, then you might be able to smooth something hold on. So I'll tell you right now, kind of what I'm thinking with ES and NQ. So on ES, I gotta watch this 1 hour trend. I got to. You got your 1 hour 20 right there, and you're coming into PDL. The key, though, is I got to lean a little bit more on the bearish side because how well that AOV was respected. That zone right there was respected extremely well. Falling back down below the 20. This is probably where the sell-off will happen because it's not the best entry. But sellers could definitely show up, push price back into PDL, and then break down below previous day low, potentially. NQ, though, is at a key level, right? You guys see this right here. Key level. It's just we're getting back-to-back moving average crosses, so it's like, I don't know. At what point is it super choppy? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, it's starting to look a little pretty. But there's still not really what I'm looking for, right? That 1 hour trend super high up. So it's patience. Right now, we're patience. Honestly, I'm gonna watch ES for never mind. NQ is starting to look a little pretty right here. Right off the key level. There's no rhythm to it. You know what I'm saying? There's just no rhythm right here. I'm liking ES to the downside, if anything. What time is it? 7:33. Stay patient. I'm gonna do some pull-ups. I'll be right back. Don't be rushing nothing. Ain't no point to rush it. All right, this is key. This is key. Let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, silver still super choppy. Don't trade the chop. Don't trade the chop. Chop gonna get you killed. NQ with a lot more strength than ES, that's for sure. Popping right up above open print. Still no clear criteria for me. If I was going to do something, it would be potentially off the 50 or the 20 right here on ES. We could get a nice push down right now. Teddy, what you doing, sugar? Okay. How's Stella? Is she sleeping? Okay, good. What time is it? 7:30? Has mommy texted? Mommy texted? Nobody's texted me. Good. Not a soul. I had nothing. All right. Grab the weights. Let's get some shoulders in. Yeah, guys, watch that 20. Yes, respecting that 20. Still no move. I like that the AOV held. It's just still, there's just really not anything really there. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if buyers hold this trend and she shoots up. Right? It's, when the market is you got to just, be patient. I like that. I like it. NQ with the strong push. AOV retest 20 tag. Boom. That's a GBI. All right, I'm going to take it. I'm in a short play here on ES. Let's go. Come on. Give me a nice little push down into PDL. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Dang. Super low volume. Let's get an idea though of what our downside targets could be here if we were to break previous day low. Because guys, we had a massive gap up yesterday. So if we break PDL, we're gonna come all the way down. Let me see here. I got a downside target right. Let me see. All right, so my downside target is right here at 6756. Already? All right, Shug, hold on. Yeah, so we got, okay, there's our short play right here. Simple criteria. I know exactly where I'm wrong if this goes against me, and I know exactly where I'm right if it shoots down. So where is that? That's 6756. 6756. All right, let's go. I think she could break, guys. I think she could break. Ooh, look at NQ, bro. NQ's looking super, super, super bearish. I like this trade. I like it. I like them all, though. We got hit with another blizzard up here out of nowhere. I literally woke up this morning and it was like 30. Nah, it was like 20 degrees with just massive wind, ice all over the place. It's crazy because a couple days ago it was like 70. Are you sure, Chenny? Are you completely positive? 100%? If you had to give it a percent, what would it be? Are you sure you even went? Oh, okay. All right, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right, this is important, guys. Let's see if we could break PDL. This price action is super trash. What time is it? 7:42. All right, it makes sense. It makes sense. So what? You know, volume's low. Trading low size. You liking it, T? Huh? What? Did I swear?
You said you would play 2 games today, but you didn't. Now we gotta play right now.
What are you talking about, baby?
Yesterday you promised since you didn't play last night.
Play what?
Roblox.
Oh.
What you promise?
Baby, first of all, calm down. That's not how it works. Breaking promise, that's a big accusation. There we go. Let's get that push below PDL. Just gotta trust the system. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you right now, Todd, if we break PDL, she gonna sink. That 5-minute trend looks really good. I think we could do it. Oh, we gonna do it. I think we can do it. Put me next to Haley. Come on, previous day low.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta get yourself a 7-year-old.
You can just buy it at the stores. You can.
I know. No, that's what makes you so awesome. You're so rare.
I'm not rare.
You are exceptionally rare. Don't you ever say that.
I'm common. Boy. Oh no, boy.
Bro, this volume is garbaggio. I had a feeling, Chen. What's my battery at? Do we gotta plug that thing in?
It's literally at 28.
Okay. Shortening the lows here. Shorten into the lows. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, Jenny bye. This market's been so range bound, dude. It's been killing me. All right, watch NQ here up at end of day. I like how we're coming up into EOD. I want to see sellers take it. ES, we're good on ES until this zone breaks. Honestly, Todd, this might be the add-in. Don't want to be stupid here, but let me see. Let's do some. Let's go back to the drawing board here. If we respect it, we could add in and target previous day low. I need a good respect though, and that's not what it looks like. These are one of the markets you got to start doing everything opposite. Ooh, there you go. Watch the 2-minute. Watch the 2-minute. Watch the 2-minute. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it now. Watch that 2-minute, love. Watch it. Watch that 2 minute. It's a dicey one, mate. It's a dicey one, mate. It's a dicey 2 minutes. It's a dicey 2 minutes play. But I tell you right now, if it respects that 2 minute, I'm going to be heading into it. Yep, 4 seconds. Give me the respect. Give me the respect. She respected. And bam. Let's go. Let's get a push. Let's get a push. Bringing that stop down. So now I'm literally risking exactly what I was before. Going for a nice push down, baby. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be afraid. 5 minute criteria is present. We need a push. Yes, we're shorting into the lows. But it's not the first time I've done it. It definitely won't be the last. 2 minute 20 held. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to give it a good old shot, Chen. Okay. She's like, dude, dad. What is wrong with you? I'm a trader. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. All right, this is the make or break right here. This is important. All right, 2 minutes holding, trying to. Buyers showing a little bit of strength here at the lows, but we're just trusting here that the ALV is going to try to hold. I could put my stop all the way up here. Honestly, it's probably the better move. All right, 10 minutes here until the Asian persuasion comes in, Todd. Let's hope that that brings some good volume here tonight. Jenny, we're going Asian persuasion.
Chloe needs to come here.
Chloe, report. Say what up, guys. Chloe's in the building. Come on. Come on, bruv. This market has been in a range, Chen. It's been in a range.
Oh, it's raining.
It's
raining.
It's ranging tacos.
It's raining. It's raging tacos. When she lands, she goes like that.
Nice.
When she lands.
Nice.
She needs to fly back.
All right. Bye, Chloe. It's raining tacos. It's Asian persuasion tacos. Up in the sky. Tacos.
No need to trade why.
Just open the chart and identify the just open the chart and identify the RBI. It's raining sellers all out of the sky. Sellers. Yes, it's raining sellers, guys. Come on. Give me the push. damn market has no volume. If you're not in a trade yet, don't get in one. Stay patient. This thing's being brutal. Probably for the next 8 minutes, we're gonna be doing nothing. So let's see. It really, honestly, it could go either way. I don't know. I really don't want to risk a lot on this. I like that 2-minute 20 hold in. It's just the market. It's low volume, guys. You know, it is what it is. This is low volume. Like extremely low. I don't know. Like maybe I got it. I mean, that's it. This is short criteria. Whoa. This is what I trade right here. But once again, let it be a solid lesson. It's not up to us what the market ever does. It's literally all we can do is identify our edge and make a decision to either participate or not. That's it. Got in a little far away from that 20. Dude, give me a GBI right here on the 5-minute, baby. Come on. She's going to come. Look, 1 more minute. Give me a GBI here. Come on, sugar. All right. You got 40 seconds to give me a GBI. Otherwise, I'm bringing that stop right down. Yeah. So, Chenny, what else? How was school? All right. 2-minute 20. That 2-minute 20 is trying, bro. It's like going to the casino and they run out of cards. Mid hand. Key. There we go, baby. Come on. Ready? Come on. There it go. There it go. I like seeing that 5 hold.
Guess what? A new person getting introduced to them. Oh.
Good. Who is it today? That's a bear flag.
Can you put the
Careful.
face cam?
Here we go. Here we go.
It's face cam.
Okay. Hold on, baby. We got sellers coming in. We got sellers trying, guys. Come on.
Someone's coming in.
All right, come. Face cam up. Locked and loaded. Bam. Straight out of Monsters High.
One of the movies.
Straight out of Monsters High.
Movie.
Yeah.
Have no filters. Love it.
So yeah, we're probably gonna be
Having no filters.
never filters. Let's see, that's 2-minute 20 here. We got 4 minutes until Asian Persuasion jumps in. That's my buddy. That's Brandon.
This is Brea.
Yeah, well, you know, your name on Roblox says what?
1077.
See, I like that 2-minute 20 holding. See, and the realization I come to at this point is there's nothing I can do. There's literally nothing I could do. The market, yeah. If the market holds, then cool. If not, it is what it is. But there's literally nothing I can do, other than just put risk on the table and flip the coin.
Frankie's coming.
So on that note, I'm gonna get some more pull-ups in. And I feel like the market does better when I'm not looking at it. You guys ever feel that way? Watch your feet. There's all these weights and stuff.
Guys, you might have met Frankie before, but you might have met Frankie before, but she's new. Well, not new, but she's new. And she has lots of personality.
All right.
Todd Barrett. 9242.
Come on, GBI. Come on, sugar.
9.
How much time? Chenny, let me know when that says 9:59.
2 hours.
7:59.
7.
7:59. And just hold on, ready?
I'm writing something to Todd.
I'm bringing these stops down, guys. I think previous day low is gonna snap.
Taco. Your eyes. It's ready to taco. Oh.
If you touch that part, it might
It's
shut off.
ready to taco.
Come on, sugar.
Picking you in it. Oh, they can keep picking up less. Oh, they can be sharp. I can't even. Bye bye, guys. Daddy, do you want to do a switching game?
What's that?
It's called Switch Your Room. It's called Switch Your Room. So, Switch Your Room is when there's spots and you switch. So, one of the spots is push-ups. Push-ups are in my room. And then there's swings on the bars.
All right, one more minute.
One more minute.
Come on. 3 seconds.
3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Is that good?
Yeah.
And then we're screaming 1.
All right, let's see here if we can break it, guys. Asian Persuasion has came into the building. Give me my sellers. Give me my sellers.
Daddy,
Yes, love.
you said it does good when you're not looking at it, right?
Yes. I'm not looking. Hold on, baby. It's literally volume has finally showed up.
I'm doing something. I did it!
Good job.
I'm trying to
What? No flips. Please, no flips, love. There we go, baby. Give me that. Give me that. We're at a key level, so pretty much anything can happen at this point. Anything can happen.
You want a gummy bear?
Something like that could happen.
You want a gummy bear?
Yeah, give me a gummy bear.
Sorry.
This market's garbage tonight. It's garbage, Shen. It's garbage. Or I'm garbage. It's probably both.
What's garbage?
Garbaggio.
Garbage.
Absolute garbaggio.
Daddy, look at something. I just need you to be with me.
Tell me.
To hold me when I do.
You don't gotta jump that high, babe, but put your arms closed. Okay, right? Like that. All right, no flips. Be careful. Don't swing around.
fun.
Okay. I gotta
I'm
figure out
practicing for the Olympics.
what we're eating for dinner. Hold on.
I'm practicing for the Olympics. Guys, they're gonna be in the Olympics! Just kidding. Oh, Ow! What? Yeah, I just fell. I got this. You know what they say, never, never get up. I did it! I told you! Done. Send. Trademark. Restored. Copyright. The curly loop. Curly loop. Respond. Hello? Can you hear me? Testing, testing. Todd, respond if you can hear me. Who's getting all the hearts? Who's getting all those? Who's giving them? Who's giving them? Who's giving them? Who's giving all the hearts in chat? Oh, they can get it. Oh, they can get. JK. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm.
Stella! Stella! Come here. Damn it! Come on!
What's wrong?
Shit. Tell him I'm coming right back, baby.
He's coming right back.
Bad, Sal. Bad. All right, y'all. My bad about that. All right. Dog's just going a little crazy. Had to get the food ready. All right. Getting some volume. That's good. That clipped us. Shortening the PDL makes sense. A lot of buyers there apparently. All right, ES just rallied up to EOD. Let's see what's next. Let's see here if we could lock in a win here before we call it a night. No pressure. Just candles. Let's see here what this guy's telling us. Let's see. Yeah, that 1 hour 20 is definitely getting a lot of love. Let's take a look at NQ. NQ, I feel is definitely maybe, a little bit more bullish here. Look at that false breakdown. Boom, rally up. Textbook here on NQ. All right, I want to watch this. She is cooking. NQ is ripping right now. Technologia. Technologia. I mean, yeah, we're probably just going to get that crazy rally that don't give no opportunity. What's the oil doing? I can make money real quick on oil. Let's see. Oil's a little bit more bearish. Oh, clean GBI right there on oil. Look at that. Look at that. With a healthy 1 hour trend. Yeah, I'm watching oil, man. Give me a pullback up into that 20 on oil. And I'll potentially take a short right there. Potentially. Yeah, that 1 minute 20 is getting some love. Dang, come on, NQ. Give me something, babe. Give me something. See how we're back above that 1 hour right now? That's very bullish. Very bullish. What'd they do over in China? They're like, oh, yeah. You know, we're going to just dive deep into the American markets, bro. Dude, look at NQ, man. That thing's just ripping. She ripping. I really not in the mood to chase. So I'm gonna see a potential move here on oil off the 1 minute 20. I like that we got our GBI. I think we could potentially see a move here. I like that GBI showed up, held. I like this shift that we're getting right here. Okay, 1 minute. Is she going to give me a shot? She might not even give me a shot. That's okay. It is what it is, man. And being a trader, you got to be, you got to be really okay with it. If you get the play, you get the play. If not, you just chill. You stay patient. That's what's key, guys. Like, you can't, you just got to just take it how it comes. Otherwise, you'll be chasing everything. There it comes. Let's see. 1 minute 20. I like that it's right up with the AOV. Massive move here on ES. And NQ. Yeah, oil ain't giving me nothing, man. She ain't giving me nothing. We might have to watch ES. Yeah, look at oil. She just shaded on me. So right off. I was downstairs thawing chicken. Cost me an oil play. That's why, like, with trading, I've always I needed something that I needed a way to be able to get back in, spot another good opportunity, because you're gonna miss setups, man. It's just part of the game, especially if you're an individual that has a life. You're gonna miss things. Gonna miss things. Let's see. I'm still watching. Strong push on oil. But now we're coming into that key level, so little different story now. Still super bearish. All right, let's see. What's that 5 minute look like here? Strong push, not much structure. We do have ALV right here. I'm going to watch the one at the key level, which is the one that we're in. Potential 1 minute 20 play. I like how it's lining up. All right, coming up into that 20 here on ES. You know, I want to make sure I do like the bullish scenario. I like the bounce off the 1 hour 20. Didn't quite tag it. Yeah, I'm not playing that. Look how far away we are from that 2 minute 20. Oil's just ripping and roaring to the downside right here. If we break this level on oil, she's going to tank. And unfortunately, I'm just going to have to friggin' watch it. I'm going to have to just watch it. Ready? Boom. Psych. Psych. That's a pretty nasty large red candle right there. Oh, NQ. Oh, man. That thing is deep. That's deep on NQ. Oh, yes, right off the key level. How do I want to play this? Watch the pullback. Watch the pullback. I'm watching NQ. Potential long play. Watch the pullback. Just feel like NQ might be a little bit better of a move. It's just got a lot more. It's just got a lot more buying going on to it. I like that 1 minute 20. I mean, we're super extended, so if I do take this, my stop's going right below this candle. I'm not in it yet. Not in it yet. We're watching her. We're watching her. NQ. Definitely. Oil definitely was a great play. Shout out to anybody that caught it. All right. Call me crazy here. All right. Got a little something going on. Let's cut this candle in half, Todd. I'm just interested. Oh, it respected that 50% Fibonacci. We gonna scalp it? Are we gonna scalp it, guys? Because I'm kind of getting a vibe here. We could get a mega 5-minute RBI right here, potentially. On both of them. That 2-minute looks crazy. I feel like it's too easy. I feel like that's what everyone's thinking. Oh, no. Ooh. All right. You know what? I'm in it. I'm going to take a stab here on NQ. I'm going to take a stab. I think we might be able to push like crazy here. We might be able to push like crazy here. This kind of goes against all my better judgments. Only because we're super far away from things. We're super far away from things. But I think I think buyers are showing a lot of strength. I'm just gonna keep my stop right there below that. Honestly, let's just see what happens here. Something light. If it don't go my way, I'm just gonna call it a night because I feel like I'm, you know. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a crazy push right here. 5-minute trend looks pretty good. I like that at 50% fib held pretty well. If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen right now. Come on, sugar. Come on, buyers. Where you at? Where you at? Where y'all at? Where the hood? Where the hood? Where the hood at? Come on, sugar. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really. I'm friggin' loving it. Ba da ba ba ba. I'm chasing buyers. Healthy 5-minute trend. She looks pretty good. I gotta be able to account for that. So I'm chasing. I'm chasing this. I want to see if she cooks. Let's see if she cooks. Then regardless, I'm going to call it a night after this. Go get some cooking done. 8:27. Not really the best night. Just not that good of volume. The volume was low. It was, it was just one of those nights. It was just low vol. Let's see, though. We got some volume now. I mean, honestly, I should know better by now to trade before, 6 o'clock? Trading before 6 o'clock, trading before 8 o'clock, honestly. Like, of course, you can get away with catching some good trades at like 7. But you know, it's with that when that volume is low, you're the first thing I said when I hopped on today was you're only as good as the market you're trading in. That's it. You're only as good as the market you're trading in. Look at this. Look at what I'm chasing right now. What the heck? Yeah. Jenny, you want to play Roblox?
Yeah. Some cats.
Do they have like a St. Patty's Day game? Really? Really, the only thing I have going for me right here is a healthy 5-minute trend. And she could hold. Of games? Really? Yeah, this is a retard trade. I don't like this. I gotta grab my other computer.
St. Patrick's Day. Okay, grab your.
This is almost done.
Grab your other computer. I'll see what I did.
All right, I'm watching on 1:20. My stop's gonna be a little below it. Let's see if it can hold. We're wishing on a prayer here. We're wishing on a star here.
A piece of your mind.
Just not a good entry. I feel like I was rushing it because I want,
Oh, it's kind of like an obby.
Is it? Because when you got other things to do, and this isn't like an excuse. This is just the truth, and these are the things you got to become aware of as you trade. You know what I'm saying? You got to be like, okay, like what led me to make the decisions I made. Let's see here. Can the 20 hold?
Okay, so this is long.
Is it an obby though?
Yeah, it's kind of. See?
Oh no! Wait, what is that? Is that? Oh, what's that flying next to it? Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's called my besties. Steve is clever. This is where you start. Steve Dakin, here. Here we go.
Who is that? Steve Dankin? Yeah.
I need you to join me.
Yeah, no.
I'm literally like the
Almost
only
done.
one in here. The rest
Let me
of
watch
the
it. Let me watch it.
The rest of the people are bots. I want to play with you.
I know, baby.
See,
No.
everyone does it perfect.
That's how you know they're fake.
That's how you know
'Cause they
it's
don't
a
die.
bot.
All right, y'all.
See?
I'm done. Traded like dirt tonight.
You can say shoot.
No. And
I said shoot.
it's gonna happen. The key thing is low volume. Stay away. I appreciate you guys coming though.
This person keeps on dying every second.
We'll hop back on tomorrow. And then we'll go from there.
See?
Potentially, if the volume's low, I might be staying out of it. But that was a garbage trade.
He keeps on dying. That person.
Take it easy, guys. I'm out.
Wait, that is.